I was drawn to the political science major. I've always been a person who cares about social issues, and it really bothers me when I see any sort of inequality or injustice. I'm very much we are all equal, we have to be treated as such. There's so many disparities here that we could easily be fixing through policy, and I think the political science program here was just perfect for what I wanted to do and how I wanted to make change in the world. My favorite core classes with the political science program, one of them would have to be public policy analysis. That really just kind of opened my eyes even further into the public policy analysis world and kind of okay, this is how it happens, this is how it's going to get fixed, this is how we're going to do this. Political behavior was hands down one of my favorite classes. We did a fake campaign at the end of the semester, and we had to make yard signs, buttons, all that stuff. We had a debate about it. This is so eye-opening. This is how a political campaign works. I think that class really, just the hands-on experience that I got was just so supplemental to the learning that I already had from my classes. And I was like, oh, okay. It's kind of like putting puzzle pieces together, and it's oh, it clicks. It's there. Now I've got the hands-on experience, now I've got the book smarts. I can put that together and I can actually do this in the real world. I cannot even begin to thank my professors enough for all the opportunities they've given me, for all the internships I've been able to have, for all the experience I've been able to get inside and out of the classroom. They really are such helpful people, and you can really tell that they care about their students. They want them to succeed. They want you to learn the material. They want you to apply it, and it's evident through everything that they do. I am currently in the process of applying to graduate programs, so I really hope to delve deeper into my knowledge of criminal justice policy. I really aspire to make change within the criminal justice world. I've always kind of felt like it was just a responsibility. Honestly, I think more people should be doing this. It's almost like a sense of duty. If I'm not here to help people, then what am I here for? If I'm not contributing to society, what's the point?